say I was gonna make a video on Tuesday, but my daddy just got a Lego set, so I want to build it, and I want to build it right now. So let's open it. All right, so we have it, and let's open it. Might take a while, so I'm gonna cut it right here. Okay, got it open, so let's open it. And dump everything out like that. There's just some stuff in there. Anything else? No, there's nothing here. So we have bag 2. The instructions, pretty big instructions. Stickers, like I said in the last video, always come in handy. Lightning, so I'm guessing Thor has lightning. And bag 1. So let's take a look at my destroyed box. And so the front, we have something from Infinity War, I'm guessing. And I don't remember seeing this in the movie, but I guess it has something related. And if we look at the back, we have where you can drive it, obviously. Open the pod thingy. And yeah, you can put like the diamond thingy inside. So let's get to building. Alright, so I have a change of shirt and shoulder sleeve because actually we went somewhere yesterday, but I'm continuing the video today. And so we have Rocket Rabbit, Rocket Raccoon. I'm being Thor, okay? And so he has when you take off his head, it has like one of those like attached things, so it's kind of like flat. He has a tail that and like come apart, and then you put it on like the leg holes, and yeah. And right now I'm not really knowing what this is, but it looks like a pod, I'm guessing. So yeah, so I'm gonna build bag 2 about right now, and we're gonna actually have Groot and Thor in it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take out this one. So see you guys there. Got the Lego set done, built it. And first we have Thor. So first we have Thor, and he has a Stormbreaker axe. I put a little shield, it looks like a shield, right there. So like he could be going like or something. And he has 2 faces, one right there. One that has like a lightning face, the other one has like a really calm face. Or Ragnarok style. We have Rocket with the gun. I already showed you guys this. And then we have Tree. We have Groot. We have Tree. And he has like a whip. It looks like a whip. Like spiky people there. Pretty sure this is the teenager version. And then we have the ship, like the pod thing. The pod thing over there making the Stormbreaker. They have the pod that like he's swinging around or whatever. Sorry if there's any spoilers from Infinity War. Then we have the thing that's making Stormbreaker, aka the axe. And so yeah, it's pretty cool. You can like open this thingy, and I think it's for putting rocket inside of it, so you can put the gun down. No violence in the world, and you can put rocket right inside there. I'm gonna cut it. So you can see rockets sloppy inside of there. It's kind of hard to get them in. And you can have Thor, just kind of like lightning, beaming, stupid thing. And Groot is just standing, just like, I'm a tree. And so yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna take a picture of this. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys enjoyed it and you want more Lego videos, well, we gotta wait for Christmas and whatever. And I'm coming out with a Lego movie or a Lego video with me building a Spider-Man Lego set on Tuesday or Monday. I don't know. So bye guys. I'm gonna go show the cases in a picture. See you later. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and comment random stuff. Bye, guys.